This is One World Yachts, and today we're in beautiful Fort Lauderdale on a wonderful warm summer day, and we're looking at a 58-foot Custom Yachts, an Angel 58, 1985. This boat is a true gentleman's yacht, and she's in extremely nice condition. Boat's powered with Caterpillar 3208s and 335 horsepower. Has about 2,250 hours on her. She has a hard top, fly bridge. This is a 3-stateroom, 4-head boat. It's got the blue hull, fiberglass hull. Has a nice aft deck, large swim platform, wing doors. This particular boat has a bow thruster, a 12.5 kW generator, 700 hours on it. Has an inverter. Boat's in very nice shape, and like I said, a true gentleman's yacht. I like this boat a lot. Nice sized aft deck. Ladder down to the swim platform. Has a king size bed in the master, queen in the VIP, a V berth forward that you can use for guests or crew, and that has an additional berth. It's an elevated V with an additional bunk below. We'll go on board. One of the features I like about this boat has a nice wide sidewalk here with high walls, very secure. We'll go forward a little bit and look at the bow and the bridge here. Big seating, full beam seating, and the cushions are put away. Pass through here. Very nice boat. We'll go down the other side real quick to show you. Well, Robin did a nice job picking this one. It's a good boat. Windshield cover's a little dirty. Not a big deal. Like I said, it has a hard top, which is a nice feature. Don't know if it has enclosure. We'll have to check that, and if not, you can always add that in. We'll go on board. Kept in very, very nice condition. We go in here on the starboard side into the pilot house. You can't feel it, but the air conditioner's on and it feels really nice. Electronics aren't, brand new, but everything that's on here works. Like I said, it has a bow thruster or star. The decor is very nautical, very nice. The floor, wood's all in nice shape. It's just pretty, a good boat. All the wood and the doors have designs on them, if you see it. That's the door to the head, the day head. Nice sized galley that's open to the salon. Big salon seating area. Headliner's all good, the wood floors are okay. You have access to the engine room from the top, pretty much just to get air, get parts out. You have doors below. All wood blinds, surround sound stereo system. There's no TV on board. There's a TV space in there, the old tube TV. You have to be creative and put a flat screen somewhere. But it's very nice. It's very beamy. And the wood's in all nice shape. Two bar stools. Like I said, countertop. Go and look at the aft deck here. It's a good amount of space. Not the biggest aft deck in the world, but on a 58-footer, this is a good space here. There's a collapsible table. Deep decks. Well, could use a little but okay. Just maybe new finishing. Some work that needs to be done here. The exterior wood, though, the handrails and everything is in nice shape. You have access up here to the fly bridge, as well as inside, and we'll go through there later. What I'm going to do is go down to the master, through the engine room, forward to the VIP, up to the guests, and then back up top, and then we'll finish up on the flybridge. Here's a private entrance to the master. Oh, first, let me show you the day head up here. So the guest can just come in here. Go down these stairs. The overhead light is off. Doesn't seem to work. We might need to change a light bulb. But the master stateroom is very, very nice. Like I said, a king bed. Wood all seems to be nice. That one aft window shows signs of an old leak. You see it here as it focuses in. The light just killed this, but it's all hard. So obviously the leak had been fixed, just the evidence of it still remains. Some on the other side as well, and I'll show you that, but it's hard to tell on the video. Flat screen Sharp TV, parquet flooring down here, bathtub in the master, single sink, hanging lockers, vanity area. There's the other window aft, and I don't want to lift it up as much, but you can see it's all hard. You can hear the difference right here. I think it's an issue. It's all dry. Again, I don't think it's a thing, but possibly a past thing. These windows all look good. I don't want to blind us again, but if you can see. We'll go through the engine room. Again, this has the Cat 3208s with 2250 engine. So you got in here a washer and dryer, stackable unit. It's dark. I don't have the overhead light, so trust me on it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Going to the engine room. Not much lighting in here right now. Still don't have the batteries on. Whatever batteries it has isn't sucking a lot of the power. AC units in there. All look to be in good shape. Have a water maker. Like I said before, a Kohler 12 kW generator, low hours. Nice space in here for an engine room. Oh, there we go, more light. Hey, it wasn't the light, it was me. Good old workhorse engines. Like I said, plenty of space. Backup, Jenny? I don't know. Didn't know it had one. But we'll go forward into the VIP with a queen berth and then suite head. Close this. From the entry, here's what this room looks like. Again, not much lighting in here, and this one's not my fault. I hope. Your head for the VIP, very nice, single sink. There's a sit down shower. Parquet floors in here as well. Throughout the lower deck there's a parquet flooring. Hanging lockers on both sides. Plenty of closet space down below. This is the guest head. It has a tub for the shower, single sink, toilet, nice large laundry room, or not laundry room, or vanity here, or whatever you want to use it, linen closet, big space. Then all the way forward, the V-berth. With a little bunk. Again, plenty cabinetry space, plenty drawer space, hanging locker. We'll go up this forward staircase. Back in the pilot house. Turn around, you can see the staircase. That's the door I came in. See on the bottom of that door it has a little bit of water staining. Not so much on the other door on the opposite side. Overall, like I said, overall the boat's in nice shape. There's a 1985. She's been taken nice care of. Teak and holly up here. Nice captain's bench. I took some of the covers off and left them partially on so you can see the seating and the covers both. A little dirty right here, but that's nothing. A couple stains on this one seat, but it's not ripped or torn or anything. Helm station's basic. Pretty much right on top of the bow, so visibility overall is okay. We have that port side aft area there, which would be a little tough. You do have the hole for that ladder there to give you some visibility. Like I said, overall, Mo, this is a nice boat. You know, Robin did well. Enjoy the video. Again, this is One World Yachts, and I'm out.